Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Jota Anti-Bac Vinyl Chair. Features: one of our best-selling vinyl chairs and unbeatable value. The high quality and easy to clean antibacterial vinyl seat makes it ideal for industrial applications, including workshops, factories, food industry and healthcare. The gas height seat adjustment sets the seat at the user's optimum height. The seat height is adjusted by lifting the lever. The Jota comes with twin-wheel hooded casters and stands on a sturdy silver chrome base, which complements the choice of 4 colours: black, blue, grey and wine. The chair comes with a TUV and BIFMA tested gas lift and supports users up to 110 kilograms, 17.3 stone. The special antibacterial PVC is padded with UK Level 5 fire retardant foam and is EN 16139 certified for strength, stability and safety. The Jota comes complete with a 1-year manufacturer's guarantee for 8 hours use per day, so you can buy with confidence. Available from stock and delivered flat-packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.